Hello boys, it's your boy Sigifrid Hldal. I have come back from my hiatus to expose this YouTuber which goes by Steven. I was scrolling on my YouTube recommended when a video comes into the dead center of my vision. The video was titled My Journey on Discord seems to be coming to a disappointing end. I clicked on the video and watched it through. He kept bringing up that he isn't a pervert, which is very strange. After that event Torstai the channel Torstai see the other videos. And oh boy, sit down for a ride. Even as I am editing this he has uploaded many videos. He might be terminally online constantly uploading low effort videos, same shit everybody already knows Torstai a minuscule audience. Some might call it dedication but in reality he is doing the opposite. There is also videos of him saying some homophobic and racist things online as shown here.
Yo bro, I woke up today and I realized how much I hate What am I meant to do?
Holy fucking shit, I don't know if this is real or not but this is some career ruining things, what the flying fuck. And if you are watching this Steven, I suggest you respond and if you want we say and take this Torstai Discord Torstai do an interview or sort things out and fix anything I may have got wrong. Anyway guys, that's it for Sigifrid Hldal for today, new videos coming out soon. Make sure you like and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss another one of these bangers. Peace out Arjan Sukua.